On top with tori for today, Presido Muhammadu Buhari don sign Executive Order 009 on top open defecation free Nigeria by 2025. Niger Presido Muhammadu Buhari don sign Executive Order 009, the one wey dem give name the Open Defecation Free Nigeria by 2025 and other related matters. Dis order so e don tok say Niger don ready to comot open defecation for the country by 2025 as a National Open Defecation Free Roadmap (ODF) wey Federal Ministry of Water Resources with support from other key sector players for Niger don put body for. Dem establish dis one for Federal Ministry of Water Resources at National Secretariat, the one wey dey call Clean Nigerian Campaign Secretariat. Dis secretariat it under put well as e get the power of Presido, as dis order na to see say all the public place wey dey for the country like school, hotels, filling stations dem, church, mosques, market, hospital and office dem get better toilet for inside their compound. All ministries, departments and agencies wey we sabi as MDAs of government go throway body put with government with the Clean Nigerian Campaign Secretariat. The National Assembly and State House of Assembly dem go do ogbonge law matter on top the practice of open defecation with ogbonge penalty and law wey go back am. All development projects go dey on top construction and sanitation facilities, dat na toilet dem, as better approval go dey and they go follow better process. All agencies wey dey gidigba ogbonge law don dey say make dem throway better collabo with Federal Ministry of Water Resources to see say dis order e waka well. The Executive Order 009 e come round sake of say Nigeria na im dey number 2 for the world wey be say get number of people wey open well on top dis open defecation, and e reach 46 million people. And dis kind yamayama matter so e dey get comma for the country, as dis one e don dey part of wetin no make the country fit meet with United Nations Millennium Development Goals (MDGs). Presido Muhammadu Buhari don tok am say dis statistics so e don show say open defecation e dey enter inside water, and dis one e dey disturb everything for the world and the country dem. And na dis one na im make dem throway body put on top the National Water Supply, Sanitation and Hygiene Wash Action Plan. As Presido Muhammadu Buhari don declare state of emergency on top Naija water supply, sanitation, dat na clean matter, and hygiene sector, as dis action e dey koko as e go help reduce the waterborne disease. Dat na the disease wey dey shele through water matter and different part of the country, the one wey don cause say many people make dem kpemek throway. Naija don ready to end open defecation for the country reach 2025, as dis one dey on top im plan to make sure say im meet up with United Nations Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs). Dis executive order e don begin gidigba as Presido Muhammadu Buhari don give the order and make everybody sabi well for the country say open defecation matter executive order don dey on top am. Make una come sabi say na T Live Media na im dey knack dis ogbonge informate dey give una. And for una to continue to dey get dis ogbonge and clear informate, make una no forget to like, comment and subscribe for we YouTube channel for T Live Media TV. Now fit still follow us enter Facebook, Instagram and Twitter for T Live Media, as our website dey gidigba put for www.tlivemedia.com.